Discover 9 amazing tools you need to check out. These innovative gadgets are designed to make your everyday tasks easier, faster, and more fun. Boost your creativity, save time, and enjoy the convenience they bring to your life. Artec Leo. Introducing the Artec Leo, a handheld 3D scanner that captures high-resolution 3D models quickly and easily. This device features real-time scanning with an integrated touchscreen display. It measures 11 inches long, 5 inches wide, and 6 inches high, weighing just 2 pounds. The Artec Leo can scan objects up to 3 feet in size with sub-millimeter accuracy. Priced around $17,000, it's built to be durable for field use and has a battery life of up to 6 hours. This scanner improves workflows by allowing for fast and detailed 3D captures of complex objects and environments, making it great for engineering, design, and preservation projects. Its lightweight and user-friendly design make it perfect for on-site scanning tasks. With advanced software, the Leo automatically processes scans, reducing the time it takes to turn a scan into a usable 3D model. Plus, it has a high-speed capture rate of 80 frames per second, ensuring you get detailed scans even of moving objects. Coil Shot Condenser Cleaning Tool. The Coil Shot is a pressurized sprayer designed for cleaning HVAC condenser coils with ease. It features a 36-inch wand, perfect for reaching tight spaces, and a 4-gallon tank that holds enough solution to clean multiple units. Priced at $350, it's made from chemical-resistant materials for long-lasting durability. This tool makes HVAC maintenance easier by allowing you to clean condenser coils thoroughly without needing to take the unit apart. This saves time and reduces system downtime, while improving efficiency and extending the system's lifespan. The Coil Shot has adjustable pressure settings from 40 to 200 psi to suit different coil types and dirt levels. It also comes with a quick connect system, making it easy to switch between nozzles for customized cleaning patterns. NeoRulerGo. The NeoRulerGo is a digital measuring tool designed for curved and irregular surfaces. It's compact at 6 inches long and 1 inch wide, with a flexible measuring strip that extends up to 60 inches. With an accuracy of 0.1 inches, it's priced at $50 and comes with a durable plastic casing. This device makes measuring easy and accurate, especially for non-linear surfaces, making it perfect for tailoring, construction, and medical use. The digital display and memory function let you record and compare measurements effortlessly. The NeoRulerGo can switch between imperial and metric units, and its calibration feature ensures consistent accuracy. It's water-resistant for outdoor use and has a backlit display for working in low-light conditions. Plus, it can calculate area and volume for curved surfaces, adding even more functionality. Globmarble Rollers. Globmarble Texture. Rollers are perfect for adding decorative patterns to concrete surfaces. Each roller is 9 inches wide and 6 inches in diameter, creating patterns up to 1/4 inch deep. A set of 3 rollers costs $200 and is made from durable polyurethane for long-lasting use. These rollers make concrete finishing easier by applying consistent, professional-looking textures quickly. They help enhance the look of concrete surfaces, making them ideal for construction and landscaping projects. With various patterns available, you can customize finishes to suit your style. The rollers feature a quick release mechanism for easy pattern changes and have alignment markings for seamless designs over large areas. They work with different release agents and can be used with both wet and stamped concrete methods. Wicked Edge WE64. Cobalt, the WE64. Cobalt is a precision knife sharpening system designed for professional-grade results. It features a clamping system and angle guides to ensure consistent edge geometry. Measuring 18 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 6 inches high, it can sharpen blades up to 12 inches long. Priced at $700, it's made with durable, hardened steel components. This system makes knife maintenance easy, helping you achieve sharp, polished edges that extend the life and performance of your cutting tools. It's perfect for both professionals and hobbyists who want consistent and repeatable results. The WE64 Cobalt includes diamond and ceramic stones for reshaping and fine polishing. Its adjustable angle system, ranging from 15 to 30 degrees, works for a variety of blade types, making it a versatile tool for all your sharpening needs. Enerpac Battery Torque Wrench. The Enerpac is a cordless hydraulic torque wrench designed for high-torque bolting tasks. It delivers up to 3,000 foot-pounds of torque and measures 24 inches long, weighing 15 pounds. Priced at around $4,000, it features a durable metal housing for tough industrial environments. This wrench makes maintenance easier by providing portable, high-powered torque without needing an external power source. It ensures accurate and consistent tightening, making it ideal for critical bolts in industrial applications. The tool comes with a digital display for precise torque settings and a data logging function to track torque values for quality control. Its lithium-ion battery lasts up to 8 hours, and the quick-change cassette system allows easy adjustment for different bolt sizes. Crescent Measuring Wheel. The Crescent Measuring Wheel is a walk-behind tool for measuring long distances with ease. It has a 12-inch diameter wheel and an adjustable handle that extends up to 38 inches high. The tool can measure distances up to 10,000 feet with 99% accuracy and is priced at $75. Its sturdy metal frame is built for outdoor use. This measuring wheel makes surveying and estimating faster and more accurate, making it ideal for contractors and landscapers. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. Features include a magnetic reset mechanism for durability, a gear-driven counter for precision, and a kickstand for temporary stops. The handle is ergonomic and adjustable, ensuring comfort for users of different heights. Viper Vacuum Scraper. The Viper is a handheld tool designed for surface preparation, combining scraping and vacuuming in one device. It measures 12 inches long, weighs 2 pounds, and is priced at $30. Built for tough construction environments, it's both durable and efficient. This tool helps remove coatings and adhesives while capturing debris, saving cleanup time and improving air quality during renovation projects. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue, making it ideal for large-scale restoration work. The Viper comes with interchangeable blades for different surfaces and a high-efficiency filter to trap fine dust. The vacuum has adjustable suction, making it effective on various textures. Chekan. Wood Splitter. The Chekan is a manual log splitting tool with a spiral cone design, measuring 12 inches long and weighing 5 pounds. It can split logs up to 20 inches in diameter and costs $100. Made from hardened steel, it's built to last. This tool makes wood splitting safer and easier compared to traditional axes. Its spiral design uses mechanical force to split tough, knotty logs with less effort. The Chekan features a rust-resistant powder-coated finish, a comfortable grip for extended use, and a safety collar to prevent over-penetration. The pointed tip helps start splits in harder woods quickly.